Hey guys, I'm Sonika. It is time for my annual countdown video again, where I'm going to show you my best photos of 2022. So let's talk photography again. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Wishing you all a very happy new year guys. And I hope you have a great 2023. 2022 was good in terms of outdoor photography because I could finally go out to shoot my street and nature shots. And I hope I can do more outdoor photography this year too. So let me show you my best 5 photos of 2022. They are a mix of both indoor and outdoor photographs. So let's get started. Photography is a game. So let me show it literally. I placed a black cloth and on it some biscuits. Cut one biscuit in a shape to make a Pac-Man shot. I continued with my self-portraits in 2022 also, and one of them that I really liked is this one. The challenge in this one was that I was wearing sunglasses, so the softbox I was using was reflected in the sunglasses, which proved to be a hindrance. So what I did was I placed my softbox above my head so that it does not get reflected, and boom, it worked. Now one channel that has really helped me in my portrait photography has been of Gigi Alejandrino sir. His tutorials are great guys, and they're very easy to understand and have been very helpful to me. Thank you Gigi sir. And after 3 years I could finally go outside for some fresh air and meet Ganpati Bappa and click my Ganpati photos at Ganpati Mandals. Relief. Out of all the cool and colorful Ganpati Mandals I went to, my favorite is this moment where 2 boys are playing carom at a Ganpati Mandal. I had a new plant friend at home, beautiful rose one. So let's sprinkle some water on it and go close with my Renox TCR 250. After 2 years, I could finally go to Maharashtra Nature Park for a photo walk. The last time I went there was on 8th March 2020, which was just before the lockdown and the pandemic kicked in. And I'm very happy I could go there again, and I can go there without any restrictions, safety. So a very cute jewel bug gave me this short clip with my Renox TCR 250 of course. So guys, these were my best photos of 2022 and I hope you like them, and I hope 2023 brings more photographs for all of us, and I hope 2023 is a great year in terms of health, wealth, career, photography, everything for you guys. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye. Happy New Year.